listen up, my financially unstable bestie. If you're still letting this fake gurus tell you that you need 10,000 followers, a podcast, microphone, and a perfectly aesthetic life to make money online in 2026, you're living in Delulu land. Pack your bags, we are leaving now. So, myself Raya, and welcome to the Raya era, where we build money, fix our lives, and get reality checks with a little bit of chaos. So today I'm exposing the absolute most underrated side hustle on the internet: Pinterest affiliate marketing. Because let's be real, we want money, but we also want to stay in bed in our pajamas and emotionally attached to our blanket, isn't it? So I am going to show you how to build a passive income system from zero. No followers, no dancing, no pretending to be an influencer. Just you, your phone or laptop, and the sheer willpower to afford an expensive ice latte. Let's get into it. Before you start manifesting passive income, relax. Let's first understand what this actually is. So basically, you create a pin, means an image or graphic post on Pinterest. The pin contains an affiliate link to a product. When someone clicks the pin and buy the product, you earn a commission from the company selling it. And listen carefully, Pinterest is not Instagram. It's not about followers, it's not about your face, it's a visual search engine. People go there to plan their dream life and accidentally spend money they did not plan to spend. And we are just helping them to do that. So now we know what Pinterest really is. Now let's explain our 6 most easy steps to start earning. Download Pinterest, go to Pinterest and create an account. Why? Because it's the most important thing to do. And also you get analytics, meaning you can actually see if your strategy is working or if it's flopping harder than your sleep schedule. Now we will switch over to our screen. Now click on sign up and enter the Gmail. I kept my thing a bit private for now, but we will fix things later. Next, we will create a password. Feel free to make one that works best for you. And please remember it. This is not your Gmail password situation again. Next, we will fill in some basic details, our date of birth, gender, and country. Then they will ask, what are you in the mood to do? I know, you can't type that here. Behave. You will get a set of options to choose from. I went with outfit ideas, makeup looks, and DIY projects. But don't worry, whatever you pick here doesn't lock you in. You can still create pins on pretty much anything later, so no pressure. After that, they will ask for a few permissions. Just go ahead and allow them. And your newborn account is ready. Congrats, you are a CEO now. Add it to your resume. Wait. Don't celebrate yet. If you leave it like this, you are basically going to stay at zero forever. We still need to set up our profile. No need to break a sweat. It's not that much work. Come on. Now go to your profile, dig into settings, then find security and logins and turn on 2-factor authentication. Then go back, open account management, find convert to a business account and hit that button. Skip this and cry later over me. I'm not responsible, bestie. Now add your profile name, pick something that suits you. And it doesn't have to be your real name because nobody's investigating you, but still don't be too fake, okay? Next, it will ask if you have a website. I added mine one, but if you don't have one, feel free to skip, otherwise you can add mine. Then you will see describe your business. Just select created that option here, and after that, would you ever be interested in running ads? I was not sure, so I just choose I'm not sure yet. And your business account is ready. Now head over to the edit profile, add your country code and phone number. You can skip this, but it's better for that extra layer of security. Also, don't forget to set a username you like and add a short about section. I actually forget to record that part earlier. Sorry. You can actually take help from ChatGPT or Gemini for this part if needed. Now your Pinterest account is officially ready to make money. Now we need a product to sell. And no, you don't have to create anything. That sounds like too much work. We are just going to use affiliate marketing, which is just a fancy way of saying we are going to get a commission for recommending someone else's stuff. For that, you can use any platform like Amazon Associates, AliExpress, CRSL, Temu, CJ Affiliate, etc. There are literally so many platforms out there ready to pay you. Now open up Chrome or Safari and go to your affiliate platform. Okay, so I have already set up an account on AliExpress, so I'll be using that for this demo. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for AliExpress, drop a comment and I will get a video out for you as soon as possible. So my affiliate page has been opened. Now go to categories section. You will see a bunch of options like women's clothing, men's clothing, home improvement, lighting and more. Pick one that interests you. But here's a pro tip. Try to choose something that's already trending on Pinterest. Are you serious? How are we supposed to know what's trending right now? Relax. I'm telling you, niches like fashion, beauty, DIYs and home decor performs really well because people are constantly searching for ideas in these areas. So targeting those can give you serious advantage. So I'm going with women's clothing. Now you will see different types of outfits. I'm choosing short dresses. Once you click on that, a bunch of options will show up. Now here's the most important part. Don't just pick a product randomly. Make sure the product has at least 4.5 plus ratings, 500 plus orders or sold, and most importantly, you actually like it.
Eh?
I mean, ask yourself, if I saw this on Pinterest, would I actually buy it? If yes, that's our product. If no, reject immediately. Sounds complicated? Nah, not at all. It's actually pretty simple. Once you get used to it, you will start spotting winning products instantly. Okay, I have chosen this dress. Right under the product name, you can see the rating and how many units have been sold. This one has 4.7 ratings and 1000 plus orders, and it looks great too. So yeah, this is going to be our product. Now take a screenshot of your product and copy the link. We will need both. Then use the link checker to make sure it actually supports affiliate marketing, because not every product will pay you. After you submit the link, it will show whether the product has an affiliate option or not. Luckily, my product does have an affiliate program, so we are good to go. Now head over to the AliExpress affiliate portal. Since I already have an account, I just log in. Now the page opens. Here, paste your product link, hit get tracking link, and your affiliate link is ready. That link is your digital sugar mommy or daddy. When people click it and buy, you get paid. It even makes money while you sleep. Now the last step. Go back to Pinterest, click on create pin and upload the screenshot you took earlier. Next, it's time to edit the image. First, set up the ratio to 1:1 or 2:3 according to the picture. Then go to filters. Don't just pick any random one. Choose a filter that slightly enhances the quality and makes the image look brighter and more appealing. Remember, the image is your main hook and your first impression. Now add a title and description using your brain or AI. Nobody's going to investigating you, so don't worry. Just make sure your title and description includes relevant keywords. This helps your pin get discovered. After that, I added my affiliate website name. This step is optional. Then paste your affiliate link. Next, choose a board. Since this is a short dress, I selected a board related to short dresses. Add relevant tags. I use something like clothes. These two steps are completely optional. Okay, bestie? So don't worry and breathe. Finally, click create and your pin is ready. You can see this pin on your profile. You just made your first money making pin. Now here's the no fake promises reality check I promise you. Will you make $10,000 by tomorrow? Absolutely no. Be so for real right now. Pinterest takes time. The algorithm needs a few weeks to figure out where to place your pin. You need to post 4 to 5 pins a day and save 5 to 6 board for best result. Consistency is your only competitive advantage. Feeling tired already? Thinking that creator is better than Raya. At least they said I can make 5,000 a day doing nothing, right? Yeah, and I can say I'm marrying Noah Snap tomorrow. There is no money without effort. So do something that actually works. So subscribe to the Raya Zira if you actually learn how to make money in reality, because your bestie will never lie. Stay smart, stay slightly delusional, and I will be back in the next one. Bye.